Hey Summit family, super excited to bring you another video in our homemade health series. Today I want to talk to you about oil pulling and its benefits to your immune system, as well as so many other benefits that it can provide you for your health. So oil pulling, it's been around for thousands of years. Maybe you've done it before, maybe you've never heard of it, but I want to share why it's so beneficial to you at a time like this right now. So you have thousands of bacteria that live in your mouth. Some are good, some are bad. Oftentimes we have more bad bugs than we have good bugs. And what we want to do is to reduce the amount of toxins, bacteria, viruses, pathogens that can get into our body and just compromise our immune system. So we want to make sure that those bacteria that are living in our mouth, the bad ones, don't get into our blood system and wreak havoc on our body. So oil pulling, I use coconut oil. One of the reasons why I use coconut oil is because it really helps to grab onto those bacteria and put it into an environment where it can't thrive. So coconut oil has a lot of lauric acid in it, so it's the perfect food to help you to do this. So I use Dr. Bronner's unrefined organic coconut oil. You can use any other brand that you like, know, and trust. And what you're going to do, it's super simple. You're going to start your day off with oil pulling. You want to do it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. You are going to have to dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes to do this. So my favorite routine is to just get started right before I get in the shower. I like to take a nice long shower. So by the time I'm done with the shower, I've dried off, put on some clothes, I'm ready to then spit out the oil. So you're going to grab just about a tablespoon of oil and put it in your mouth. And it's going to be hard at first, but what you're going to do is you're going to start to swish it around in your mouth. Get it in between the teeth, under the tongue, and you're going to swish for about 15 to 20 minutes. And what's going to happen is it's going to become a liquid, and it's going to start to turn white. It's going to change in viscosity. It's going to get thin, milky, a little bubbly. And what you're going to do at the end of that 15 to 20 minutes is you're going to spit it out in the garbage can. You do not want to swallow, because when you swallow any of that, you just need to think about those toxins immediately going down right into your digestive system. So you're going to want to spit it out in a garbage can, because again, you don't want that coconut oil to do anything with your pipes or anything like that as well. So after you spit it out, you're going to brush your teeth using a non-toxic toothpaste just to remove any leftover toxins and bacteria that might just be on your teeth and a little bit in your mouth. And then you're going to go on with your day. So I recommend doing this several times a week. If you're in a place where you have a cold, you're not feeling well, you've got sinus issues, lots of mucus, you can actually do it 3 times a day. First thing in the morning, middle of the day, and then right before you go to bed. So I hope you start to incorporate this. If you have any questions, let me know. I absolutely love it, and it's super, super simple and so, so good for your health.